Hi guys, this is Vinita again, and I'm going to be talking about important topic, that's individuality. So why most of the people are not able to achieve individuality in their lives? Why are they still in the circus of actually being somebody else, trying to live a life of which is given to them or decided to them by their close ones, by somebody who's outside them? And why are we not able to live our true identity? It was a mind-blasting session for me when I actually learned this from my mentors at Dave and Ron Malhotra, and that was actually eye-opening, because then it got me started thinking that it's so important for everybody to be knowing who truly they are. Okay, what is their true potential, where do they stand, what is their identity, what is their individuality? Because knowing your individuality is so important for you to be your true self, you to start loving your own self. So I'm going to be talking about two main points in this. Why are you not able to achieve your individuality? So number one is, most of you are caged. What I mean by that, everybody is living in some sort of cage, which they might call their houses. Okay, but I'm being brutally honest here that it's the cage that you have been living, because everybody that has been around you is decided by your loved ones. It could be your parents, it could be your siblings, it could be your spouses, it could be your friends, it could be your neighbors, the society, the religion that they belong to. Okay, everything around them is just being told to them, and they have been actually accepting it. So every window in the cage that they are in is completely closed, and they are not able to get out of it because of the fear that they might get rejected. Guys, you're born as human being, you're God's one creation. Okay, and if you don't respect that one creation, what good are you for? You could have been born like any other animal on this earth, but you became that one person in the billions to get this opportunity to be born as a human being. And what are you doing is simply wasting it by living somebody else's life and actually insulting the most important creation of this earth. It's human, and moreover the creator of you, the God, right? I'm not talking about religion, I'm not talking about religion here, but what I'm talking about is actually you being dishonest with yourself. You're trying to be living somebody else's life, you're trying to be fitting somebody else's shoes so that you get that acceptance and acknowledgement from the society that you're trying to live in, and losing your entire individuality. Isn't it important for you to respect the most important creator of this creation of this earth, that's being human, and actually start living your true potential? Because that's what gonna be to honor the purpose of you being born, and actually showing gratitude to the creator of you, right? Rather than being somebody else and trying to live somebody else and trying to impress somebody else and trying to get validation externally and not living your life. So that's number one reason. You gotta be coming out of the cage, breaking the windows and coming out of it, and actually creating a cage which you would love to be in, which is of your choice. That's important, and that's when you will find a true identity, you will find a true individuality. So that's point number one. And number two is why most of the people are not able to live in their true identity is because they don't want to be sound selfish, because they think being selfish is the most cheapest thing a human being does, because they think selfish is being mean, because they think being selfish is the most dirtiest thing on this earth, because they think being selfish means killing people, selfish means actually taking money from people. Guys, come on, give me a break, man. You've been selfish because you've been not been living your life, man. You've been actually living somebody else's life. If you have even 1% chance, even 1% opportunity to be your true self, just be it. Because people will call you selfish, because the society is created in that way, the world is created in that way. If you try to do something out of the box, you would be called the most selfish people. So we as humans, especially the middle class and the lower class people, when we see rich people, rich kids, we say the पैदाइशी अमीर है यार, ये लोग दूसरे का पैसा लूट के, you know, they've got this they're traveling in this Lamborghini and Rolls Royce. Guys, why the fuck do you even say this, and who the hell are you to even comment something like that on somebody else's life when you are actually fucking wasting your life and not living your fucking true self, and then you kind of complain other people? That's being selfish, man. And that's where everybody's not actually being true self. They want to be acknowledged, accepted, validated by external forces, so that they get an opportunity to be so-called good citizen, whether it involves dying on a footpath. Okay, whether it involves dying on a footpath, but just because you're getting the social identity of being a good human being, you choose to not to be selfish. Guys, doing something for yourself is not selfish. Doing something for your happiness is not selfish. Doing something for your family is not selfish. At the start, they might criticize you, but you know at the long, if you can do something better, if you can achieve something, if you can create a legacy of yours, they will be the first person to fall in love with you, and everybody else will fall in place. So these are the two important points why most of the people are not able to find their individuality, and it came as a mind-boggling stuff for me when I was exposed to these stuff. Guys, I'm sharing gold with you. I'm literally sharing gold with you because I have paid lakhs of rupees to get these sort of knowledge from my mentors, and I'm just sharing it with you guys so that my contents can help you transform. My contents can actually help you to find your true potential, to be the real you. Knowing your individuality is so fucking important, because the moment you start trying to be yourself, that's when you will start doing something what your potential of, and not trying to do something what people want you to be doing. Okay, so this is it for today's session, and how you can actually start going about finding your true potential, true individuality is number one, trying to actually, you know, find your true potential, because you became a human being. You got a life as a human. 1 in a billion person get this opportunity, and if you get this life and if you're fucking wasting it because of some stupid reason, then you don't deserve it. You're actually insulting the creator of you, that's God. I don't care you're a theist. What all I'm saying is you're insulting the creator of you. You gotta get up and gotta start working for your, you know, for yourself, so that you get something, you start doing something better in your life. Because if you got a life of a human being, definitely there was a big purpose behind that, because God didn't just choose you like that. You didn't deserve a penny to be the person what you are today. You didn't deserve a penny to actually be having a working, fully functional heart. So that's point number one. Start your, find your true potential. And number two is start loving yourself, because if you hate yourself, you are hating the creator. You're hating the person who has created you. You're hating somebody who has actually given you the chance, and if you do that, you're making the biggest mistake of your life. So that's all I wanted to cover in today's session, guys. Very important 2 points. Number one is, stop being in cage. Number two is actually start being selfish, and 3 is finding your true potential, and 4th is loving yourself. These 4 things are very important for you to find your own true individuality, and the moment you do that, I am telling you, you would be a different person. With this, I'm signing off. My name is Vanita Bowstar, and I'm a confidence diva. I'm on a mission to create kings and queens of confidence, so that they don't miss on any opportunity because of this shitty skill which is easily learnable. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.